When new users are created, there are some permissions within Sage 200 that you may wish to apply. One of the settings is the SOP user permissions. This is located within Sales Order Processing, SOP Utilities, System Setup, User Permissions. If the new user does not appear in the list, select the Add option and from the Username drop-down, select the new user's name. By default, there are no permissions enabled. View profit values on invoices and orders enables the invoice profit and line profit buttons when entering and amending sales orders, pro formas and quotes, and viewing invoices. The View Discount Calculations on invoice and order lines allows the user to select the View Discounts button on the order or order line to see which discounts have been applied to the order. This could be a combination of quantity discount, line discount, and customer discount. This adds a discount button to a sales order. Override credit hold on invoices and orders. This allows the user to remove the on-hold status which is applied when the customer's account balance is above its credit limit. The value of unposted sales orders and invoices are included when calculating this. Override prices and discounts on invoices and order lines. This option allows the user to change the selling price or line discounts. Prices are taken from invoice and order item records, additional charge records, and for stock items, taken from the price set for this customer for the selected stock item in price book. The default line discount is set on the customer's account. If the default line discount is manually overridden, then the discount entered is applied in preference to stock item or product group discounts. Override default stock fulfillment method on order lines. This option allows the user to change the fulfillment method set on the stock item when entering sales orders. This is where you choose how the stock is allocated to a sales order, from your warehouse, ordered from the supplier and sent direct to the customer, or ordered from the supplier and sent to you. You set a default method at product group and stock item level. Override default confirmation method on order lines. This allows the user to change the confirmation method from the default when entering sales orders. The default is set on the SOP settings. Override stock item unit cost price on invoice and order lines. This allows the user to change the cost price of the stock item. You can only do this for stock items that use the FIFO and actual costing methods. Changing the cost price on an invoice or order only affects the estimated profit for that invoice or order. The cost price of the item at dispatch on sales orders or post invoices is used to calculate the realized profit. It doesn't change the cost price on the stock item. Generate purchase orders from sales orders. This allows the user to create purchase orders for certain stock items when entering sales orders. This places a Generate PO button on the order. If this isn't set, then these purchase orders must be created using the Generate Orders option in POP. You can also assign to the user default warehouses. This sets the warehouse in the By Default Supply From box when the user enters orders and invoices and when entering returns and credit notes. For each entry method, set a default warehouse if you want the warehouse to be automatically selected for that user, so they choose stock items from a particular warehouse first. Leave these options blank if you don't want to set a default so that the user must select the warehouse each time. When you are happy with the permissions applied, select OK and Close to save the changes. To edit the permissions of existing users, find the username within the list and select Edit.